In this video, I'll show you how to pay with PayPal on Steam. First, open the Steam app or go to the Steam Store website and sign in to your account. Browse for the game, DLC, or in-game item you want. Then click Add to Cart and continue to checkout. Steam supports PayPal as a payment method in many regions, although availability can depend on your currency or country. Next, on the payment screen, choose PayPal from the list of payment methods. Then click Continue or Proceed, and Steam will redirect you to the PayPal login page. Sign in with your PayPal email and password, review the payment details, and choose your funding source if needed, like your PayPal balance, bank, or linked card. After that, confirm the payment in PayPal, and you'll be sent back to Steam. Review your order one more time, then complete the purchase. If everything goes through, the game should appear in your Steam library almost immediately. One useful detail is that in many countries, PayPal refunds on Steam can be returned to PayPal, not just to your Steam wallet. So if you ever request a refund, PayPal is one of the supported methods for getting money back to the original payment source. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.